Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to change the background color of the text box in Microsoft Excel. So get let's start. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then I show the now create from the text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the text box option. Then create from the text box. This text box is the change from the background color. Now click for the format menu option. Now click for the shape fill option. Then NSS color. That's okay. Then I show the change background color from text box in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.